orchestra. You're going to be the world's greatest orchestra. Whatever instrument you play, whatever instrument you've always wanted to play, you're going to sit straight up in your chair with your eyes closed and you're going to play like you've never played before. You are the world's greatest orchestra. You might play the drums, you might play the guitar, you might play the keyboard, it doesn't matter. We got a couple violin players up here. World's greatest orchestra. Sit straight up in your chair, eyes open, eyes closed, playing like you've never played before. World's most excited orchestra. Alright, the winner gets $1 million. Whoever's the best player gets $1 million. Smooth guitar player here. All right, here comes the big finish. The judges are watching you. Whoever wins gets the $1 million. Big finish. All right, here we go. Sleep now. I still don't know what she was playing here. All right, as a reward, you've all won a prize. As a reward, we're going to take you to the beach in Jamaica. You are now sitting on the beach in Jamaica. You are currently in your swimming suit. You do not need to remove any clothes. You are sitting on the beach in Jamaica. It's a 90-degree day. You are wearing your bathing suit. You're looking good. Go ahead and sit back in your chair. Lean back in your lawn chair. Lean back in your lawn chair. You're on the beach in Jamaica. You are looking good. Yeah, kick back. Kick back. Get comfortable. Get comfortable. Don't get too comfortable. Oh, it's 110 degrees out. It's getting a little warm in here. It's 130 degrees out. It's 150 degrees. It's almost unbearable. But you're sitting in your swimming suit. You're sitting in your swimming suit, so you don't need to loosen that up because you're in your swimming suit. You're sitting perfect. But you are looking good. It's 180 degrees. It's so hot you can hardly stand it. It's 180 degrees. You got that cotton mouth thing going on. Get that, feel that cotton mouth. Yeah, it's not going to make you sick, but it doesn't make you feel very good. You got that little white stuff in the side of your mouth that you get when you get real dry. Yeah, get rid of that. Oh, wait a minute, look at that hottie come walking by. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Look at that hottie walking by. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, hey. Yeah. Hey, give her a little gun show. Give her a little gun show, this one. Yeah, look at that. Oh. You're looking good. It's 150 degrees. It's so hot out. But you know what? You got your favorite beverage. You got your favorite beverage underneath your chair. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chair. Go ahead and sit up in your chair. Go grab that favorite beverage right under your chair. Whatever your favorite beverage is. Whatever your favorite beverage, go ahead and grab that. It's a bottomless supply. Just go ahead and take a big drink. Big guzzle. Oh, that's refreshing. It's down to 90 degrees again. It's very refreshing. It's bottomless. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chairs. Everybody sit straight up in your chair. Take a big guzzle of that drink. Oh, big guzzle of that drink. It's giggle juice. Take some giggle juice. Oh, that makes you, it feels so good. Take some more of that giggle juice. Dude, take some more of that giggle juice. Slam that giggle juice. It's the funniest thing you've ever seen. The more you drink, the better you feel. The more you drink, the better you feel. It's some giggle juice. Oh, keep drinking that giggle juice. Take a big swig of the giggle. Oh, that's some good stuff. It's some good stuff. Oh, it's onion juice. Somebody put onion juice in your drink. It's onion juice. Oh, that's nasty. Who would do that? It doesn't make you sick, though. It doesn't make you sick. It just isn't very good. Oh, they replaced the onion juice. It's cold, refreshing water. Take a big swig. Get rid of that onion flavor. Get rid of that onion flavor. It's cold, refreshing water. You're all doing good now. Hey, you just realized you came to the beach with your puppy, but your puppy's not here. Where's your puppy? Call for your puppy. I don't think he can hear you. Let's hear it. Call for your puppy. Oh, here's your puppy. He's back up in your lap. He's back up in your lap. Hold on just a second. Oh, your puppy's back. Your puppy's back. Oh, go ahead and open your eyes and look at your puppy. What's your puppy's name?
Winnie.
Winnie. Oh, what kind of puppy do you have?
It's a Shih Tzu Poodle mix.
Oh, a Shih Tzu Poodle mix. How about you? What's your puppy's name?
Jody.
Jody. What kind of puppy do you have?
It's a hybrid.
Hybrid. Oh, that's nice. How about you? You have a nice puppy. What's your puppy's name?
Cooper.
Oh, Cooper. What kind of puppy is Cooper?
Shih Tzu Bashan.
Oh, a Shih Tzu Bashan. Very nice. Uh-oh, you just realized something. Your puppy's been out playing in the garbage and eating stuff it should. Your puppy just got sick all over your lap. Oh, that's not good. Put your puppy down on the floor. Put your puppy, your puppy still loves you, but it doesn't feel that good. Oh no, don't kick your puppy down there. Your puppy's feeling better. You're all cleaned off now. Is this your little puppy Jody right here? Is that such a cute little puppy? Now your puppy's name is Spot. What's wrong? Did you see? I didn't hit your puppy, I hit his. Yours is right here. Eric, how far did I kick it? Like 50 yards. It's flying. Come back, call him back here again. So here he comes. He's right in front of you there again. That was a good show when I make someone cry. How are your guys' puppies doing down here? How's your puppy doing? Good? Good? How's your puppy doing? What kind of puppy do you have?
Golden Retriever.
Oh, a Golden Retriever. Okay, your puppy, you know what? I missed your puppy. I didn't even kick your puppy. It's right there in your lap. Very nice, yes. Oh, she feels so much better. Eric, I stepped on yours though. Everybody sit straight up in your chair. Puppies are gone. Sleep now. Give them a big round of applause. Audience, make some noise. We got some rock stars up here. All right, it's time to go to a movie. You're sitting in a movie theater, you're sitting straight up in your chair, your eyes are open, you're watching a movie, and it's the funniest movie you've ever seen in your entire life. It's the funniest movie you've ever seen. Would you just look at what is going on up on stage? It is on the screen. It's the funniest thing you've ever seen in your life. Look at that stuff that's going up on stage. You have never seen anything so funny. Oh, wait a minute, the movie's changing. It's the scariest movie you've ever seen. It's the scariest movie you've ever seen in your life. You've never seen anything like that movie. You've never seen anything like that movie. And what kind of a theater is this? There's flies buzzing around this theater. It's a scary movie with flies. Keep your hands to yourself. It's the scariest movie. Oh, wait a minute, it's changing. It's the saddest movie you've ever seen in your life. It's the saddest thing. You can cry again. It's the saddest movie you've ever seen in your life. You have never, ever seen anything quite like that before. It's absolutely the saddest thing you've ever seen in your life. Would you just look at what's happening up there? She's dying. I can't believe she's dying. What's happening to her? She got shot. Who shot her? A dude shot her and she's dying. That's the saddest movie I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness, you guys have never seen anything like this. We need to find out what's happening in your movie. What's happening in your movie?
He just got hit by a car.
Oh, he got hit by a car, and who was driving?
I don't know, a big fat man.
It wasn't me, was it?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's good. Oh, what's going on in your movie?
They killed Herschel.
They killed who?
Herschel.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. You don't seem that sad. What's happening in your movie?
What?
What's happening in your movie?
Tom Cruise is fighting.
Tom Cruise is fighting. Well, that's sad in general. Sleep Now. Give him a big round of applause. All right, I brought a couple of toys to play with me. I brought a couple of toys to play with. In just a second, you are going to be sitting up in your chair. Your eyes are going to be open. You're going to be looking at the front of the stage. I'm going to be down on the floor in front. When you hear the music, your eyes are going to be open. I brought along a voodoo doll. What this doll does is anything this doll does, you do. So you're going to watch the doll, and you're going to mimic everything the doll does. It's my voodoo doll. Sit straight in the chair. Eyes are open.
Daylight come and me want go. Work all night and a drink a rum. Daylight come and me want go. Stop banana till the morning come. Daylight come and me want go. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go. Live 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and me want go. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and me want go. Day is a day. Daylight come and me want go. A beautiful bunch, a ripe banana. Hide the deadly black tarantula. Live 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch.
Sleep Now. Give him a big round of applause.
6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch.
All right, you've been driving along. You're in your car in just a second. You're going to be sitting straight up in your chair. You're in your car. You're driving on the way to school. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chair. You're driving on the way to school. You're in your car by yourself. You're going through the roundabouts. You're heading by Shanley. And all of a sudden, a cop pulls you over. You've seen that cop sitting there waiting for you. The cop pulled you over. Pull over to the side. Eyes are open. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Do you know what you're doing wrong?
I have no idea, sir.
You were speeding.
Oh no.
You were going 73 miles an hour.
That's a tragedy.
That is a tragedy. Could you slow it down for me a little bit?
I'll try, sir.
All right, keep it under 70 for me, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
Do you know what you were doing wrong?
No, I do not.
Do you know how fast you were driving?
About 40?
You were driving 7 miles an hour.
Oh, that's not normal.
7 miles an hour. You're going to cause an accident. What are you doing?
I was checking my phone at a safe speed, so it's not...
Did you know that you're not allowed to check your phone at any speed when you're operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Well, I was going to let you off with a warning, but now that you admitted that you were breaking the law, I'm going to give you a ticket, and it's for $1,000.
Oh no.
Do you have cash?
I do not.
How are you going to pay for it?
My mom probably.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, officer?
Did you know that you were driving with your blinkers turning both right and left at the same time?
Do you have any proof?
Well, yes, I do. I have it all on camera. Have you checked your blinker fluid lately?
My blinker fluid?
Yes. Are you getting smart with me, young man?
No, I have not checked my blinker fluid.
Okay, I need you to go home and check your blinker fluid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a safe drive. Sleep now. Give him a big round of applause. All right, I'm going to have you sit up straight in your chair, and you are not going to be able to speak English. Hold on until I tell you yes. Until I tell you yes. In just a second, you're going to sit straight up in your chair. You're not going to be able to speak English anymore. You're going to only speak one of 3 languages. You're going to be able to speak baby talk, Martian, or Chinese, whichever is best for you. Whatever I say in English, you're going to be able to understand me, but you're only going to be able to speak baby talk, Martian, or Chinese. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chair. And how are you doing?
I'm good.
Very good. Hi, how are you?
Ching chong?
And what's your name?
Ching chong chong chong.
Help me out a little bit. I don't really understand your language. Can you count to 10 for me?
One, two, two, next,
Very nicely done. Hi, how are you doing? Good. How are you doing, bud?
Sweat.
What's going on over here? Open your eyes. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. How about you? What's new with you? Pao chicken. Kung Pao chicken. That's funny right there. How are you doing? Really? So where did you come here from? Was it a long flight? All right, tell me a story. I gotta get to know you a little bit better. Tell me a story about when you were growing up. Tell me something funny that happened to you. That is amazing. You guys believe that? That is amazing. He believes that story too. That is something else. So then what happened after that? There must be some more to that. How did it end? Does anybody but me want to know what schmeck means? It's like a really important word in that language. Sleep now. Give him a big round of applause. You are back to speaking English. You're back to speaking English now. Unless, of course, you spoke Chinese or baby talk or Martian before, then you still have that. I don't want to take 5 years of Chinese language away from someone that's been working on it that hard. When I have you sit straight up in your chair in just a second, you are going to realize that the number 6 is completely missing from your vocabulary. You cannot, under any circumstances, say the number 6. You cannot say the number 6. It goes right from the number 5 to the number 7, no matter what you do. You cannot say the number 6. It is completely gone from your mind. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chair. Eyes are open. Sit straight up in your chair. Hey, do me a quick favor. Count to 10 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Very good. Took you a while, but very good. You should never do that one with the blondes. All right. Count to 10 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Hold your hands up. Hold your hand out. All right. Count your fingers for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good. You get 11 fingers. Count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Have you always had 11 fingers? Can you help me out here? Count his fingers for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Is that normal to have 7 fingers, 11 fingers?
No.
What do you have? Let's count yours.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Does everybody at Davies have 11 fingers? This is kind of creepy. You seem like a smart guy. Are you a pretty smart guy?
I'm pretty smart.
You're pretty smart. You look smart. Is it weird that they have 11 fingers? It's natural. Why is it natural?
We are the way we are.
We are the way we are. Well, that's a good way of looking at life. Yeah. All right, just a second. In just a second, we're going to play a little game. You guys ever played the game before, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? You guys have seen that game on TV, the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game? Well, we have one of our finalists here, and he only has 1 question left. Sir, come on, stand up here with me. Come here up here. What's your name? Ben. Ben is one of our finalists on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Ben, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
Good. Okay, you're 1 question away. 1 question away from $1 million. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you have 1 lifeline left, and it's ask the audience. Okay? Ben, for $1 million, the question is, what is 3 plus 3? All right, Ben, what is 3 plus 3? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
7. No. Wait. I'd like to ask the audience.
Okay, we're gonna ask the audience. Audience, on the count of 3, you're gonna tell them the answer. What is 3 plus 3? 1, 2, 3. 6. All right, what is 3 plus 3? Okay, I'm not gonna ask you for your final answer until you're sure, but there's somebody out there that knows it? It's 7? You know what? 3 plus 3, I need to know one more time. What is 3 plus 3? 7. Is that your final answer? 5? It's either, you think it's either 5 or 7? I'm pretty sure.
It's 7. It's 7.
What do you guys think it is? Everybody up here thinks it's 7. I am so...
3, 4, 5, 7.
That's what?
It's math. Like,
Who's your math teacher?
oh.
Do you go to Shanley? Do you go to Shanley with that kind of counting? Or West Fargo? Why, is anybody from West Fargo or Shanley here? It's all right. It's all right. Sorry, math? I'm sorry, the answer is 6. You do not win the $1 million. All that losing the number 6 is gone. You all can say any number you want. Now you didn't get it right, but what was 3 plus 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, you were so close. If only you'd known that just a minute ago. Go ahead and sit down. Give him a big round of applause. Sleep now. Audience, make some noise. These guys are some rock stars up here. All right, we've got some rock stars up here. It's time to take you way back. It's time to take you way back to your childhood. You're now 6 years old. You're 6 years old and you're just so happy. You got all your friends with you. You're just going to sing and have so much fun.
Are you ready, kids?
Sit up in your chair.
Can't hear you. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. If none of us nonsense be something you wish, then drop on the deck and blow
too. Lofty and Wendy joined the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. So built to the nerve, Travis and Spot, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Sleep now. Give them a big round of applause. Taking them back to their childhood. You're back to your current age. You're not 6 years old anymore. You're back to your current age. All right, we've got some rock stars up here. We've got some rock stars. In just a couple seconds, I'm going to have just a few of you, just the ones that I'm touching, just the ones that I'm touching. You're going to be standing straight up sitting straight up in your chair in just a few seconds. She's a little anxious, this one here. You're going to be standing up when I tell you. You're going to stand up. Your eyes are going to be open. You're going to be very, very careful. And you are going to be the world famous performer that you hear on the music, and you're going to get up in front of all these people. You're not going to go anywhere near the front of the stage, and you are going to perform for these people. Everybody that did not touch is going to sit up in the chairs. You're going to be the audience watching these people. All right, everybody sit straight up in your chair. Eyes are open. Ladies, here she is, Carly Jepsen, Carly Rae Jepsen.
I do wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. Trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was horrid, cheap skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where do you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look back at your baby, but here's my number.
What are you guys doing? Have a chair here. What are you guys doing? Specifically, one of you, what in the heck are you guys? Carly, sit down. Must have brushed him as I went by. Sleep now. Give him a big round of applause. So, here's the interesting fact about hypnosis. True story. Hypnosis really brings out what you want to be in life. All right. Sleep now. Just the people that I'm touching right now, just the people that I'm touching right now, in just a few seconds, you are going to also be world famous. You're going to get up and perform. Davies High School, live and in person. It's One Direction.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You turn your hands when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile and round, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. Only you saw what I can see. You don't understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
Oh, give a big round of applause. One Direction. Go ahead and have a chair. Have a chair, One Direction. Working it. What did you think of One Direction? It was beautiful. Sleep now. Give them a big round of applause. Make some more noise. They're working hard for you up here, baby. All right, we got one more thing to do before we go. We got one more thing to do before we go. In just a few seconds, when I ask you to sit straight up in your chair, you're going to realize that I am not who you thought I was. I am now your absolute favorite star. I am the celebrity that you love more than life itself. It doesn't matter who it is. You've just realized that that's who I am. You're so excited to see me because I am your absolute, the one person in your whole life that you wanted to meet. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chair. Eyes are open. Go ahead and sit straight up in your chair. Eyes are open. It's kind of creepy. Stand up for me. Now, not everybody out there can recognize me, so tell them who I am.
Ariana Grande.
And what do you like about me?
You're beautiful.
Thank you very much. Go ahead and have a chair. We'll chat later. Go ahead and stand up for me. All right, tell all these people who I am. They don't recognize me.
You're Jimmy Page, aren't you?
I'm Jimmy Page, the guitarist. Absolutely. How you doing?
Great. How you doing?
You want to get together and play some guitar later?
Love to. I'm not very good.
I can teach you everything I know.
Well, I'd love to.
Go ahead and have a chair. We'll come back later. Hi, come on up here. Uh-oh. Hi. Tell all these people who I am.
Juan Pablo.
You know what? I don't like any of those girls that I'm thinking. I'm thinking about starting all over with a younger crowd. Would you like to come on the show?
Yes.
What if I made you the only bachelorette? Okay, go ahead and sit down. We'll talk later. Juan Pablo. I'm a reality TV star. That's awesome. Come on up here, bud. Oh, hey, how are you?
John Maloney.
John Maloney. That's awesome. Why do you like me so much?
I love your writing on SNL. I can do your stand-up. I know some of your stand-up.
All right, tell something funny. I'm gonna try you out, and if you do all right, we're gonna bring you on to SNL.
Alright. So I'm walking down the streets of New York, and New York's a pretty sketchy place, right? You see scary things all the time in there. But this one time, this man, he walks up to me, he pushes me like this. He goes, "Hello, I am homeless, I am gay, I have AIDS, I'm new in town." New in town? You're gonna close with new in town?
All right, go ahead and have a seat. You just never know what you're gonna get. All right, come on up here. Hi, tell everybody who I am.
Josh Hutcherson.
Josh Hutcherson. And what do you like about me the best?
Your mouth.
Hey, go ahead and sit down. Hey, bud, how you doing?
Doing great.
Tell all these fine folks who I am.
Mike Rowe.
Mike Rowe, and why do you like me so much?
You get so dirty.
Not gonna take that any. Go ahead and have a chair. All right, come on up here. Tell everybody out there who I am.
Channing Tatum.
Channing Tatum. I get that a lot in real life. Yeah, how's that going for you?
Good.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll talk later, okay? Hi, bud, what's your name?
I'm Paxton.
Hi, Paxton. Tell all these people who I am.
You're George Carlin.
I'm George Carlin, yes, but I can't do my routine here because it's a school, and that wouldn't be appropriate, would it?
No, I know.
All right, go ahead and have a chair. Go ahead and stand up. I tell all these people who I am.
You're not a horn from One Direction. I love you so
Oh,
much.
whoa, 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 hey, hey. Oh, that's awesome, but you gotta back down a little bit, young lady. Go ahead and have a chair. Thank you very much. Woo! That was a close one there. Go ahead and stand up. I tell these people who I am.
Taylor Lautner.
Taylor Lautner. So you're Team Jacob, I understand, huh?
Yeah.
Great, awesome. Go ahead and sit down. Stand up, bud. Tell all these people who I am.
You gotta be Kate Upton.
Colin, look at the way he's looking at me right now. Kate Upton, huh? There is no chance I'm going to ask you what you like about me the most. When you get to college, we'll have that conversation. Go ahead and sit down. Oh, this one's worrying me a little bit. Stand up and stay right over there. Tell all these people who I am.
You're Beyonce.
I'm Beyonce. That's awesome. And what do you like best about me?
You're queen of the world.
Queen of the world. Go ahead and have a chair. That's awesome. Beyonce. Come on, stand up, bud. How are you?
I'm super great.
Super great. And tell all these people who I am.
She's Kristen Wiig.
Are you getting really excited?
I'm really excited. Me and my friends are the Californians all the time at lunch.
That's awesome. Go ahead and sit down. Did you recognize me out there? Come on up here. I seriously thought she was just having a seizure or something out in the audience. She's been waving, they've been waving at me. So how are you doing? I take it that you were like participating. So who do you tell these people who I am?
Harry Styles.
Harry Styles. And go ahead and have a chair right over here. And what do you like best about me?
Your hair.
My hair. Awesome. There she is. She was out there the whole time, and I didn't know what they were doing, waving at me. I thought they were just having fun. So anyway, I gotta go, everybody. Are you guys doing okay? All right. Sleep now. Give them all a big round of applause. Colin, you're gonna make sure that everybody on the team knows that he was looking at me like that, right? Kate Upton. Davies High School, make some noise for these people. All right, we had some rock stars up here. I had a great time with these people. Everybody on stage, you're going to feel wonderful in just a few minutes. You're going to be able to stand up and go back to your seat as soon as I tell you to. You're going to feel completely proud of everything that you've accomplished up here. You're going to feel completely refreshed. You're going to be ready to take on the world. If there's anything in your life that you're trying to work on, I'm going to give you the ability to focus a little bit better in school. Maybe you want to exercise a little bit more. Maybe you want to become a better three-point shooter than Colin Larson. I'm going to give you that ability right now. So you tell Manson from now on, you're shooting the threes and Colin can just back down, okay? Just the person I'm touching right now. The next time you have basketball practice, the first thing I want you to tell Coach Manson is that you have become a three-point shooter over the weekend and you want the green light. That's the first thing you're going to tell him at practice. Everybody else, when I count to 5, by the time I get to 5, you're going to be sitting straight up in your chair. You're going to be completely refreshed. You're going to be completely focused. You're going to be having a great time. You're going to be proud of everything that you've accomplished tonight. Audience, you've done a great job. I'll be back again for the prom. I've got some new things going on for the prom, so the show will be quite a bit different. We'll have new people up here. We'll have a lot of fun, so come back on the post-prom night. Everybody else up here, 1, you're starting to feel all your surroundings. You're starting to feel refreshed. You're starting to feel and hear everything around you. 2, you're starting to sit straight up in your chair. You're proud of everything you've accomplished tonight. 3, you're starting to feel all your senses. You're moving your arms around. You're moving your neck around. You're feeling relaxed. You're feeling awesome. 4, you're starting to open your eyes. You're starting to feel completely refreshed, awake, and proud of everything you accomplished. 5, you're sitting straight up in your chair. You are feeling good. You are looking good. Davies High School, these are your rock stars. Give them a big round of applause. Give them all. Go ahead and stand up. Take a big bow. Give them a big round of applause. Davies High School, here they are. Take a bow. All right. Safely go ahead and walk back to your chairs.